Okay, so tap on your image, scroll to the right, find crop, and you can play around with the settings. You can resize it. You can move it around and just tap down once you're done. If you want to change the aspect ratio, you can further crop it, do whatever you want. Now, if you're trying to remove the background, that's a different story. If you want to do it for free, uh, select your image. Well, you can't really select your image. The problem is you have to go to apps, find clear background, click on that, choose file. So the only thing is you have to upload your image from your media, from your phone, basically. If you want to do it the free way. If you have premium, you can easily remove the background by just clicking remove background. I'll just show you in a few seconds. Well, I don't have premium, but the point is, yeah, this is how you remove backgrounds if that's what you want from images for free. If you want to do it through the paid plan easily without having to upload from your phone, just click on your image. You have background remover, click on that. Again, you need to have the paid plan in order to remove backgrounds like this. But yeah, if you were just looking to crop, I guess your question is answered. So that's it.